Day 41 of Bible Bites. We now begin the book of Numbers. God orders a census of the fighting men, arranges the tribes around the tabernacle, and sets the Levites apart for special service. We're in Numbers 1 to 3, Psalm 41, and Proverbs 9:13 to 18. Let's see how God organizes his people. Quick prayer. God, thank you for order and purpose. Help us find our place in your plan. Amen. Numbers 1. 1 year after leaving Egypt, God tells Moses to take a census of all Israelite men 20 years old and older who can fight. The total is 603,550, not counting Levites. Each tribe has a leader. The Levites are not counted with the others because they are set apart for the tabernacle. Numbers 2. God gives the arrangement of the camp. The tribes camp around the tabernacle in 4 groups on 4 sides. Judah, Issachar, Zebulun on the east, Reuben, Simeon, Gad on the south, Ephraim, Manasseh, Benjamin on the west, Dan, Asher, Naphtali on the north. The Levites camp around the tabernacle in the center. This order is used when they travel. Numbers 3. The Levites are counted separately, 22,000 males 1 month old and older. They are given to Aaron and his sons to serve in the tabernacle. God says the Levites belong to him in place of the firstborn of Israel. Specific duties are assigned to the 3 Levite clans, Gershon, Kohath, and Merari. Psalm 41. Blessed is the one who considers the poor. The Lord delivers them in times of trouble. The Lord sustains them on their sickbed and restores them from their bed of illness. Even my close friend has turned against me. But may you have mercy on me, Lord. Raise me up. Proverbs 9:13 to 18. Folly is loud, undisciplined, and seductive. She sits at the door of her house and calls to those who pass by. Let all who are simple come to my house. But her guests are in the depths of the grave. The census and camp arrangement show God is a God of order and purpose. Every tribe has its place, and the Levites are set apart to serve the tabernacle. This structure kept the nation organized during travel and worship. Psalm 41 blesses those who care for the weak and shows David's honest prayer when betrayed. Proverbs 9 contrasts wisdom's feast, life, with folly's invitation, death. Real-life comparison. Census and camp layout equals God giving everyone a place and purpose. You are not random. You have a role in his plan. Levites set apart equals some people are called to special service, worship, helping in church, youth group. Psalm 41. Blessed is the one who considers the poor equals God notices and blesses kindness toward the vulnerable. Proverbs 9, folly equals the loud, easy, seductive path that looks fun but leads to regret. Today, remember you have a place and purpose in God's plan. Ask him to show it to you. Show kindness to someone who is struggling or poor in some way. Choose wisdom's invitation over folly's loud call today. What's one way you can show kindness to someone struggling today? Comment. God organizes his people with purpose and calls us to choose wisdom over folly. Tomorrow, more organization and the cloud guiding them. Subscribe, share, see you tomorrow.